Hello, like I said, I hope you are ready for this exciting session. We're going to start things off by jumping right into an activity. So, what I need you to do is stand up. That's right, rise to your feet. That's number one, stand. Number two, don't lean on anything. Stand free and clear, nice and tall. Number three, close your eyes. Again, folks, play along, indulge me. One, stand to your feet. Two, stand free and clear, not leaning on the wall, not leaning on your desk, not leaning on a chair. Three, close your eyes. Now listen to these words: love, joy, happiness, friends, ice cream. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Now you're still standing up on your feet, free and clear, not leaning on anything, and you have your eyes closed. Listen to this set of words: hate, war, enemies, hurt, harm, wildfires. Deep breath, inhale, exhale. Now open your eyes. Did you notice anything when you heard that first set of words? Did you notice anything when you heard that second set of words? Well, record it now. Pull out your guide sheet for this mini session, and right at the top where it says opening activity, I want you to record what you noticed during the first set of words, what you noticed during the second set of words. Get it done, and I'll see you on the other side.